Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is U.S. Northern Command certifies new counter-drone fly-away kit after successful Minot AFB deployment. An 11-member team from U.S. Northern Command deployed to Minot Air Force Base from 21-27 October 2025 to conduct Counter Small Unmanned Aerial System (CSUAS) operations and officially certify its fly-away kit capability. Over several days, the team supported the 5th Bomb Wing and Base Commander, successfully engaging more than 100 aerial targets. This team of 11 far exceeded expectations of operators whose first time seeing the system was 30 days ago, said Chief Warrant Officer 3 Joey Free, is Northcom CSUAS Counter Small Unmanned Aerial System Response Program Manager. He explained that the deployment was the first operational evaluation of the kit, tracking the full process from mobilization and transport to engagement and return. The flyaway kit combines sensors and effectors to detect, track, identify, and mitigate drone threats to military installations within the United States. It includes the Heimdall sensor trailer with radar and thermal optics, Anvil drone interceptors, the Pulsar electromagnetic warfare effector, and the AI-enabled WISP infrared system. Despite cold, windy, and wet conditions in North Dakota, the team fulfilled its mission, demonstrating the system's capability in real-world environments. "I'm proud of the US Northcom flyaway team and what they've been able to do in a short amount of time," said Gen. Gregory Gillett, commander of NORAD and US Northcom. "The validation and certification of our Counter Small UAS flyaway kit is an important step in being able to support installation commanders within the United States as they defend against drone incursions," Gillett added. He highlighted that US Northcom has moved beyond an advisory role by fielding a team with deployable detection and defeat tools. The team first trained with the system in September during Exercise Falcon Peak 25.2 at Eglin Air Force Base in Florida, shortly after US Northcom received the platform from manufacturer Anduril. Free said the aim of the Minot deployment was to offer a robust and challenging scenario to test both the technology and the operator's readiness. "When you have personnel passionate about the mission set, the mission is easy," Free said. "The desire to protect and defend comes naturally, and the eagerness to learn echoed the urgency of our mission." Major Austin Fairbairn, who led the CSUAS team on the ground, said most team members had no prior background in drone defense but quickly adapted. "We brought together a group of people from different career fields, military services, and an assortment of personalities, and turned them into a high-functioning team of CSUAS professionals," he said. Providing direct support to the 5th Bomb Wing during their training provided a solid foundation of skills for real-world engagements, Fairbairn noted. The team gained hands-on experience with the system's control interface, system calibration, and tactical best practices. For Tech, Sergeant Ian Kay, a shift lead on the team and air transport expert with no prior UAS experience, the mission reinforced the importance of teamwork. "I learned that no matter your rank, service, or career field, teamwork and mutual commitment are what make the mission successful," he said. The deployment also included legal and procedural coordination to ensure the base commander could operate within proper authority during drone defense. Commander Brian Dudley, US Northcom's Joint Counter UAS Planner, said the installation's 10 USC 130I defense plan was reviewed and updated to integrate the new capability. The rapid development or revision of a 130I counter UAS defense plan is critical to the protection of installations experiencing UAS incursions, Dudley said. He added that installation commanders also maintain inherent self-defense authority, understanding rules of force use. The exercise marked a key milestone for US Northcom's evolving domestic drone defense role. Their ability to adapt to an unfamiliar mission set and learn the tactics of air defenders was a breath of fresh air, Free said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.